Why are you, brother Alex, the king of commercial real estate? Why do you consider yourself the king of commercial real estate?
I consider myself the king of commercial real estate because, like I said, a king sits on his throne and controls a majority of the kingdom or whatever you want to call it. So here in the city of Passaic is one of the reasons why. We own a lot of property and we control the market, like they say.
And how did it start? Let them know how it started.
It was all started by my father. When he came from Cuba, got into opening his first business here, and from there taking the profits and dumping it into commercial real estate and apartment buildings.
I want to give you a handshake so the world can see you. To thank you worldwide, however you want to say it, but thanks a billion for giving me the chance also for being part of this empire. It's been a long journey of ups and downs, but we still remain together. Thanks God and thanks to you.
I appreciate it. And we're gonna go far, far in life.
As you guys saw, I thanked Alex personally, publicly, for giving me the opportunity. We have almost a decade of working together, and we started first in business. He started with his father, then he continued his legacy, and then he brought me on board. I appreciate it a lot, brother.
Again.
You're, to me, my brother, I'm beyond grateful, and we're gonna continue, taking this to
a $1 billion empire.
Multi-billion-dollar empire.
Yes. Our future plans for our real estate portfolio is practically growing bigger, which number one would be purchasing buildings $200, $300, $400 million, as well as, bigger complexes, giant malls, anything that is on a large
We're not gonna buy no more $3 to $4 million
No, we're
properties.
done with that. We're
done with that. We want to, go to the next level now, acquire different properties, different value.
Yes.
Even if we gotta do certain partnerships and with other people, depending if they're good business people, we're able to,
yes.
do business with them.
Correct. We bring our expertise, value, everything.
Bring capital.
Yes.
Take it from there.
Why don't we deal with small houses and 2 families and 3 families? Because we're not babies. We've already done that from the beginning. We already know how to walk. We know how to run. So of course we're gonna fly.
We're gonna break almost 100 properties.
Correct.
This year. So
if you're gonna be dealing with a single family or 2 family, 3 family, you're dealing in small substance, like they say. We rather deal with 100 apartments, or 200, 300.
That's why we prefer buying 2 houses, knocking it out,
and
building
yes.
a building.
Correct.
We're gonna get more apartments, more units.
Correct.
If you have 2 houses, let's say it's a 2 family, that's 2 family plus 2 family, 4 family, we could do a building.
If you look at the one that we're gonna be doing now, which is, it was a 2 family on a big piece of land. We're gonna build, 22 apartments with, parking in the front. Beautiful little project, like they say. Historically, investing in commercial real estate as an alternative asset has provided millions of investors like myself with attractive risk adjustment returns and portfolio diversification. There are some key differences between commercial real estate investing and traditional investments such as stocks and bonds.
Any type of property, whether it's commercial or residential, can be a good investment opportunity. For your money, commercial properties typically offer more financial reward than residential properties, such as rental apartments or single-family homes, but there's also can be more risk.
Average 20-year return in commercial real estate slightly outperforms the S&P 500 index, running on about 9.5%. Residential and diversified real estate investments do a bit better, averaging 10.6%. Real estate investment trusts perform best with an average of an annual return of 11.8%.
Generally, real estate investment partnerships usually take an investment between $5,000 and $50,000. While $5,000 isn't enough to purchase a unit in the average building, several partnerships exist that pool money from multiple investors to purchase a property that is shared and co-owned by several investors.
Commercial real estate is all around us. Includes apartments, offices, retail space, and more. Income and appreciation are the 2 ways commercial real estate earns money. Income is produced through the operation of the building, appreciation is an increase of the property value over time. While investing in commercial real estate normally requires more capital, expertise, and time.
If you plan to invest in commercial real estate, start how I started. First, start by checking all of your finances. This can be as simple as calculating your expenses and offsetting them against your total income and assets. Then, look for an investor/mentor to guide you or help you get into the circle of what he or she is doing. In my case, Alex was the big dog, king of commercial real estate around. To conclude, set your goals, understand your attitude to risk, start budgeting, create a purchase plan with your new partner, and have him or she inform you A through Z. Don't forget to stay focused.
I was blessed to inherit a lot of commercial real estate properties, and I learned the game from day -1 from my father, Domingo. I love commercial real estate and investing with a passion with Carlos and great other partners of mine. I've been doing this all my life and will keep doing this forever. You can do it too. There's other ways to buy with no money. There's seller's financing, leasing with an option to buy, assuming existing mortgages, swapping personal property, even exchanging your skills. Don't forget to become a master negotiator, to negotiate even the down payment. If you don't have money for the down payment, borrow it. Don't lose hope. You have friends, you have family. I'm pretty sure that if you are really serious about it, you can use your savings. Remember, save to invest, don't save to save. Risk is a must. Where there's no risk, there's no reward. That's why I call myself the king of commercial real estate. I invest it all. I'm a risk taker.